Okay, we are back with RENOGY again, and I found another really great inverter, and it's got a little bit of a discount. Plus, this has built-in transfer switch, which is ideal. A lot of people want to have that, but it's a pretty expensive add-on. And right now, for $329, plus you can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. It's not a bad deal for this inverter. You can use the links in the comments or the description if you're in a hurry. Get over to this page, get that good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at this 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter built for 12 volt systems with that UPS transfer switch and Bluetooth built right in. Very, very convenient setup. So this is a 2000 watt inverter, which is really great because most 12 volt batteries aren't going to be putting out too much more power than that anyway. So 2000 watts is an ideal size for 12 volt systems. And with the UPS transfer switch built right in, you can make your power switch over to your batteries so fast during a power outage that you won't even notice the power went out. It will automatically go from your AC power to grid to the battery power if the power goes out within milliseconds. Transfer power with safety, efficiency, and adaptability. Uninterrupted power supply on grid and off-grid connections. So this is a very versatile design. You can use this in your home, connect to your grid, or you can use this in off-grid situations like overlanders, RVs, or boats. It's got built-in Bluetooth so you can monitor this with the DC Home app, which is one of my favorite apps to use. It has a pretty low consumption rate, and while it's idling at less than 18 watts, so it's gonna run a long time for you pretty efficiently. And safety guaranteed with the pure sine wave inverter, making it safe for all your devices. This is just like the power that you get in your home, and it is very quiet. Now, one of the greatest features of this inverter is that it can handle inductive loads up to 4000 watts. So if you have an air conditioner or something like that, which has a high inductive load or a surge load, you can actually get away with using this. You have continuous output at 2000 watts, but it can handle up to 4000 watt surge. Instant device monitoring with built-in Bluetooth. DC Home app real-time monitoring ensures safe and efficient operation. Keep an eye on your power. It's going to help you be more efficient. You're instantly going to save money with that. And the easy-to-use remote control is really nice to have as well, but it does have built-in controls right on it where you don't need to use this if you don't want to. And the highlight of the show with this is definitely the UPS powering. Now that's uninterrupted power supply. During an outage, this will actually switch over to your batteries so fast you won't even know the power went out. Connect to shore power ensures continuous and dependable supply of electricity even without a stable power source. This feature offers reassurance and operational efficiency, guaranteeing seamless backup power both on and off grid. Whether in remote locations, RVs, marine environments, semi-trucks, or during temporary power outage, the inverter's ability to connect to shore power ensures that critical operations remain uninterrupted, safeguarding against any potential downtime. This is great for servers and things like that, your office, and things where you don't want to lose a bunch of work just because the power went out. Keeping productivity and entertainment flowing 24/7 is what you can accomplish with this system. Reliable backup power supply is essential for maintaining uninterrupted productivity and entertainment. Whether you got a show going on or if you're trying to get work going, you won't have to worry about it being interrupted for any reason. You're working on important documents, streaming your favorite shows, gaming with your friends online, maybe it's a very important game. Dependable backup power source ensures that you can keep going no matter what. With this backup power supply, you can rest assured that unexpected power outages or low battery warnings won't interrupt your workflow or ruin your fun. So definitely take advantage. This is an ideal inverter and the price is very reasonable at $329, and you can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. So it's not a bad deal. Use the links in the comments or description. You can get over to this page, get that good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Most important, click that bell icon and you can be one of the first people to hear about these new high-tech devices.